All right, so you're feeling that nagging neck and back pain, huh? Trust me, I've been there. But fear not, because I've got some fast fixes and tips to help you out. Let's start with posture. It's crucial. Sit up straight, shoulders back, chin parallel to the ground. Good posture can do wonders for alleviating that discomfort. Now, let's talk about fascia. It's like a web that surrounds your muscles and organs. When it's tight, it can contribute to your pain. Try using a foam roller to release tension in your fascia. It might feel intense, but it's worth it. Next up, stretches. Oh, how I love a good stretch. Try some gentle neck stretches, like tilting your head from side to side or doing shoulder rolls. For your back, child's pose and cat-cow stretches can work wonders. Don't forget to move throughout the day. Sitting for long periods can exacerbate your pain. Take breaks, walk around, stretch it out. Your body will thank you. And lastly, don't underestimate the power of heat and ice. A heating pad can soothe sore muscles, while ice packs can reduce inflammation. Alternate between the two for maximum relief. Remember, consistency is key. Incorporate these tips into your daily routine, and you'll be on your way to a happier, pain-free neck and back. So go